Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, where you can find the link to the website in the description below. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, and in particular mortgage REITs or MREITs, like BrightSpire Capital Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol BRSP, saw their shares take an oversized hit during the Federal Reserve's recent unprecedented interest rate hike cycle. High rates were needed to curb inflation, but high rates also increased the cost of borrowing and cut into margins, which resulted in reduced profits and free cash flow. And REITs in general borrow a lot of money to build their portfolios. And you might think high rates are generally good for MREITs since they can charge for what gets lent out. MREITs provide financing for income-producing real estate by purchasing or originating mortgages or mortgage-backed securities, or MBS, and earning interest from them. But that only goes so far. Higher interest rates can be a big deterrent. Lower rates, on the other hand, mean that more people will come in from the sidelines to get on property ladder. Rates might be lower, but it can also mean more lending. And that's where BrightSpire Capital Inc. comes in. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. BrightSpire Capital Inc. is one of the largest publicly traded commercial real estate, or CRE, credit REITs with $3.9 billion in assets under management. New York City-based company originates, acquires, finances, and manages a diversified portfolio made up primarily of CRE mortgage loans, mezzanine loans, preferred equity, and things like net lease property in the U.S. as well. Of its senior mortgage loan portfolio, 100% of it is made up of floating rates. By property type, multifamily homes make up the majority of its portfolio at 41%, followed by office, industrial, hotel, mixed use, and retail. Now, it looks like BrightSpire is going to get a little bigger too. In August, the company announced a new $675 million CRE loan, collateralized loan obligation, or CLO. The company said it will be investing the liquidity in new loan obligation opportunities.
I saw that it reported solid third quarter results.
Yeah, BrightSpire reported solid third quarter results, including net income of $12.7 million or 10 cents per share. And that's up from third quarter 2020 of $12.4 million or 9 cents per share. Now, distributable earnings were $17.9 million, or I think 14 cents per share, with adjustable distributable earnings of 21 cents per share. BrightSpire ended the quarter with a robust liquidity position of $416 million, with $251 million in unrestricted cash. Now, management said it expects its portfolio to grow by about $1 billion by the end of 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, what about its dividend?
Strong dividend coverage allows BrightSpire to continue to reward investors with a reliable high-yield payout. On October 29th, the company's board declared a quarterly dividend of 16 cents per share, or 64 cents per share on an annual basis, for a forward dividend yield of 10.17%. Now, BrightSpire paid a monthly dividend before the 2020 health crisis and suspended the payout in the back half of 2020 and into 2021. And in March 2021, it switched to a quarterly payout from a monthly payout. This move coincided with the company rebranding itself and changing its name.
And BRSP stock soared after reporting solid third quarter results.
Yeah, BrightSpire stock struggled a little bit in the third quarter, trading at a 40% discount to its book value. Now, management astutely used the opportunity to repurchase 1.2 million shares at an average price of, I think it was $5.52 per share. Now, BRSP stock has climbed considerably higher since it reported, as you noted, solid third quarter results, though. Before the announcement on October 29th, BRSP was trading hands around $5.40 per share. The next day, it hit an intraday high of $6.29 per share, before closing out the day at $6.21 per share. And it has continued to hold on to those gains too. Now, despite the big gains, BRSP stock is still undervalued, according to Wall Street, with analysts providing a 12-month share price target or high range of around $7.50 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, BrightSpire Capital Inc. is a great MREIT with a diversified portfolio of commercial real estate with floating rate loans. It continues to report solid financial results and provide investors with a reliable high yield dividend. In the third quarter, it enhances liquidity with a $675 million CLO transaction. It purchased 1.2 million shares and saw the return of loan origination. The management said it hit all the cylinders. And that's music to the ears of the 260 institution holding 65.86% of all outstanding shares. The biggest holders of this REITs are Vanguard Group Inc. with 13.03 million shares for a stake of 10.04%. BlackRock Inc. is close second with 9.29% stake, and Nut Tree Capital Management LP with an 8.48% stake. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.